Okay, so from Inksoft, we come here to Products, Manage Products, and then we're going to find Status, Published, hit Apply, and this first product I've already done, so I'm going to open the second one in a new tab, switch over to the tab, and we want to come to Print Regions, and make sure that the full is the default one, so here it's selected as the full. A lot of them have this left chest as it. And then we just want to go switch it to Adult 15 inch, and then click on Draw Region. And basically, we just want, in case someone wants to put their artwork a little bit lower, we allow them to. And then we just kind of center it. And that's that. Okay. And then same on the back, Adult 15, Draw Region. I guess like around like 29, 30. It's good, just like that, and save.